Hello everyone, this is Shraddha from Our Education with the latest update. Darknet misuse other advanced technologies used for drug trafficking discussed during 4th meeting of BRICS Anti-Drug Working Group. The common points that emerged during the meeting included the need to curb the increased drug trafficking through maritime routes and the need for real-time information sharing among the member states. The discussion on the misuse of darknet and other advanced technologies for drug trafficking was one of the key focus areas during the 4th meeting of BRICS Anti-Drug Working Group held on August 12, 2020. As per the statement of the Ministry of the Home Affairs, India called for the nodal points to enable real-time information sharing among BRICS nations. A communique has been adopted reaffirming the commitment of 5 nations to international anti-drug conventions. BRICS Anti-Drug Working Group, which comprises Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, held a meeting through video conferencing due to ongoing coronavirus pandemic. The year session of the Anti-Drug Working Group was chaired by Russia. During the summit, the fruitful exchange of opinions concerning the drug situation in BRICS state, psychotropic substances, and other precarious international and regional trends of illegal trafficking in narcotic drugs, as well as the impact of various external and internal factors on the situation, took place. The common points that emerged during the meeting including the need to curb the increased drug trafficking through maritime routes and the need for real-time information sharing among the member states. Misuse of darknet and other advanced technologies for drug trafficking was also one of the key focal areas of the meeting. As per the Ministry of Home Affairs, among other areas of collaboration, matters that are pertaining to drug trafficking are important areas of cooperation among the BRICS member states. The common points that emerged during the meeting included the need to curb the increased drug trafficking through maritime routes and the need for real-time information sharing among the member states. As per the statement released by Ministry of Home Affairs on August 16, 2020, the delegation in the 4th meeting of BRICS Anti-Drug Working Group was led by Rakesh Asthana, Director General Narcotics Control Bureau. The delegation was also comprised of Virendra Goyal, First Secretary, Embassy of India, Moscow, B. Radhika, Deputy Director General, NCB Dr. Vaibhav Tandil, Under Secretary, Multilateral Economic Relations, and KPS Malhotra, Deputy Director, Narcotics Control Bureau. Ashok Lavasa resigned as Election Commissioner to join as Vice President of ADB. Ashok Lavasa has resigned from his position as Election Commissioner on August 18, 2020 to join as the Vice President of Philippines-based Asian Development Bank. Mr. Lavasa will be joining his new position in September 2020. Ashok Lavasa has submitted his resignation to President Ram Nath Kovind and has requested to be relieved from his position as Election Commissioner by the end of August 2020. Earlier on July 15, 2020, Ashok Lavasa was named as new Vice President of the Asian Development Bank. As per the statement built by Multilateral Legendary Company Agency, ADB has appointed Ashok Lavasa as VP for Private Sector, Operations and Public-Private Partnerships. Mr. Lavasa will succeed Diwakar Gupta, whose term will end on August 31, 2020. Ashok Lavasa would have retired as the Chief Election Commissioner in October 2022. As per the officials, Ashok Lavasa, appointed as the Vice President of ADB, has been on the recommendation of the Government of India. International bodies can appoint a person only if they have accepted the position. Ashok Lavasa's premature exit puts Sushil Chandra, his colleague, next in the line of succession. Lavasa is still a part of Election Commission and is yet to resign from the core body as he will be joining ADB in September 2020. For more such updates, subscribe to our channel and like and share the video.